phone 或者 mobile 係手提電話，應該好多朋友都知。咁但係接電話或者打電話，你又識唔識表達呢？如果我哋知道接收電話係邊個，我哋就會用 call 呢一個字，就係 call 某人或者某地方。Simon called you this morning. Don't forget to call the restaurant today. 回覆某人電話，我哋可以話 call 某人 back。咁呢一個咧會常見過 call back 某人嘅。Can I call you back later? Sorry, I forgot to call you back yesterday. 如果我哋純粹想表達打個電話而唔需要表達打俾邊個，我哋可以用 make a call。Make a call. Do you mind if I make a call first? 而接電話就係 take a call。Take a call。咁一個好常見嘅用法咧就係 take this call， 即係而家響緊呢個電話。My apologies, but I have to take this call。錯過某人嘅電話，我哋會用 miss a call。咁好多時咧會係過去式嘅。咁 missed 咧會讀 missed a call。Missed a call。Sorry, I missed your call earlier. You have 20 missed calls on your phone。收線最正式咧可以叫做 hang up。咁過去式咧就係 hung up。I need to hang up. My battery is almost dead。咁呢度咧我哋亦都可以話 I need to go 去取代 I need to hang up。He hung up on me。最後教大家幾句比較有禮貌嘅收線方式。Well, I should let you go. So, I'll let you get back to your work. I have to run, but it was great talking to you. Anyway, I won't keep you any longer。唔知你識唔識其他禮貌地收線嘅表達呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同埋 share。想揾私人英文補習老師咧，就歡迎諮詢我。想支持我繼續拍片或者想輕鬆地揾翻啲過去拍過嘅題材咧，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期都會有會員專屬影片嘅。